ready to turn crypto volatility into your next winning trade. Let's dive into how to place a trade on Bybit. First, head over to Bybit.com and log into your account if you don't have one yet. Sign up using the link in the description below to grab some sign-up bonuses. Once logged in, navigate to the Derivatives tab at the top of the page here. You'll find the trading pairs available. Select the trading pair you want to trade. For this example, let's choose BTC USDT, meaning we're trading Bitcoin against USDT, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Now, look to the right side of your screen. This is your order panel. Make sure you've selected your desired order type, like limit, market, or conditional. A market order executes immediately at the best available price. For simplicity, we'll select market order. This guarantees a quick fill, although the price might fluctuate slightly. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to use to buy Bitcoin in the quantity field. Always manage your risk and only trade what you can afford to lose. If you believe the price of Bitcoin will go up, click the green buy long button. If you think the price of Bitcoin will go down, click the red sell short button. A confirmation window will pop up. Double check all the details, including the price, quantity, and order type. If everything looks good, confirm your order. Congratulations, your order has been placed. You can monitor your open positions and track your profit or loss in the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You've successfully placed a trade on Bybit. Remember to practice with small amounts until you're comfortable with the platform. Happy trading.